Alright, if you've ever helped someone to do their homework before for free, I want to let you know that there are thousands of people making a living off it. Sounds weird? Well, this video will end your doubt if you have any, and I'll be showing you how to make over $500 a week doing assignments for people. Alright, welcome once again to my channel, and if you enjoy exploring money making ideas, then you are at the right place. Please do well to click the subscribe button if you're new here to get the latest money making strategies as soon as we drop them. So are you good with maths or English? Maybe chemistry or biology was your favorite subject in school? Well, regardless of what your favorite subject is, you can earn money by doing assignments online. You see, there are a lot of platforms out there that receive a lot of assignments from people from all levels of education. It could be elementary, it could be college, it could be university, it could be high school, whatever it is. They get their assignments submitted to platform for people to, get them done. And you can earn money by completing their assignments. So people just need some work typed for them. Others just need a summary done for them, amongst other things. Now, the best part is that you get to choose your work rate and schedule based on how many assignments you decide to take on. Also, you get to choose the assignments that are up to your level, get them done, and of course, you get paid. Now, I'll be showing you 8 websites to get signed up with to make money. So sometime I decided to give this platform a try and to see what the process was like. I signed up, got to do an impromptu writing test, submitted the form that I have, filled. I had no idea if I passed that test until I was called by a contact person, and of course I was asked a few questions. The questions I asked was more of, someone trying to get to know me, like my name, and to confirm if of course I was the one who applied. Next thing was that I got approved, and the mail I got from WRITINGCREEK looked like what you're seeing on your screen. So after that, I was presented with few documents to read on how to navigate through the platform, how to bid for tax, and get assignment done. I went into the platform, bid for some assignments, did about 2 assignments in 3 days, and this was just me testing out the platform. Now you may ask, was I paid? Yes, I got paid $20 into my Payoneer account. Now, spoiler here is that I'm going to do a more detailed tutorial on everything about WRITINGCREEK and my journey with them. At this time, I've not done the tutorial yet, but if you happen to see a link on the top right of this video, then you are lucky I've done it. Otherwise, you just have to stay tuned for my next video. It's a website where you can monetize your time and effort doing assignments for people. So there is a constant workload of assignment that can be done, and they pay a reasonable amount of money for assignments done. You see, with this platform, you can make well over $500 a week. All you need is excellent communication skills, proficiency in the popular area of study, ability to conduct a research, original content writing, advanced level of English, and you're fit to sign up to start working with them. So they offer flexible work hours, and you get to work from anywhere around the world. So there's something I did. I happened to check out this platform on SiteJabber, and SiteJabber had about 38 reviews on WRITINGCREEK. You can see that WRITINGCREEK has a consumer rating of 2.63 stars from 38 reviews, indicating that most customers are generally dissatisfied with their purchases. Well, this is coming from people who try to work on the platform and all of that. And if you go through this review, you'll discover on your own, if you go to SiteJabber, if you go through this review, you'll discover that people are actually sad with the platform, and also people are happy with the platform, those who have worked in the platform. There is something I get to see a lot when it comes to the review for WRITINGCREEK, and that is something like this, similar to this, saying that the platform is full of racism and all of that. And well, what I can say is that I happen to be a black guy, and of course I'm African, I'm from Nigeria, and I was accepted into this platform, and so far I've not had any issue with the platform. One thing I know is that the platform is something you can try out if you want to earn some money by helping out with people's homework. So don't be discouraged by the reviews. People are getting in. Of course, people can be angry at times. Their anger can be genuine. At times, the anger can be way overboard. But I advise that you give the platform a try. So if you get accepted, fine. If not, I have tons of other platforms that you can try out in this video. So Studypool is a micro tutoring platform where those in need of study help can get it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So according to Studypool, you earn money answering homework question, and you can earn up to 75,000 USD monthly, working from home tutoring students. They also offer full freedom and flexibility. You get to choose when to work and where you want to work from. So there is no boss, no offices, and no quotas. You get to create your own schedule. So you see, as a tutor, Studypool will assess your subject knowledge. It is also necessary to have degrees such as bachelor's, master's, and doctorates. And now, to get assignments to do on the platform, you have to bid on submitted questions. So the tutors are chosen by the student based on their profile, reviews, and the number of tasks they've completed. So if you have a bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree, you have an edge over those who do not have. Also, payment ranges from $5 to $20 per answer you provide to a question. So let's have a look at about 2 to 3 reviews on Trustpilot from people who have worked with Studypool. So from Trustpilot, you can see that Studypool have about 394 reviews as of the time I checked, and they have about 3.8 trust score. It's a simple average of all the reviews that have been done, and I think 3.8 is pretty fine. All you need to do, you can see someone is saying it's a great site for students and tutors alike. So if you go through Trustpilot and you check all of this review and you feel this review is quite encouraging enough, it's not going to be a bad idea for you to want to give it a try. Also, let's have a good look at Glassdoor rating. So from Glassdoor, I had to filter 350 reviews into those who had interviews with them. The job, there's no particular amount that has been assigned, and of course salary is just 71. So here we have an average of 2.9. I don't know if this is an encouraging score. Well, it's not an encouraging score. So it's coming from people who got rejected, trying to enroll into the platform. So one of the things you can do is just go through all of this review. So if you're satisfied with the ratings and feel convinced that this is the platform for you, all you have to do to get signed up is to go to their site, click on become a tutor, and then you click on the apply now button and fill whatever form you're presented with, and that's it. So ACEMYHOMEWORK is a platform you might want to look at. They have made a name for themselves in the tutoring market, well, thanks to their ever-expanding student base. They hire subject experts and connect them with students who need assistance with their homework. So to join its online tutoring team, you must have the necessary teaching skills as well as a stellar academic record. Their platform is interactive and provides all of the necessary tools for students and teachers. So if you're signing up to be a tutor, you will have no problem teaching your students any subject using this website. The final hourly rate is determined by the subject's difficulty level and the number of students you're willing to teach each day. Although the reviews I pulled out from Trustpilot and Glassdoor aren't sufficient enough, they seem quite cool. So you can see that from Trustpilot we have about 3.8 score. That's coming from just 2 reviews. I don't think it's enough for us to really say anything positive or negative about ACEMYHOMEWORK. So ensure you're good with whatever subjects you are choosing before signing up on the platform. So TutorEye is another platform where you can sign up and help people with their homework. They offer personalized one-on-one tutoring to students looking for an amazing tutor like you to teach them. So if you're confident about your subject matter, this platform is something you should consider joining. So with TutorEye, you have complete control over your teaching schedule. The website also provides hourly rates based on current industry standards. So let's have a look at their site. So if you look at their site here, you see there are a lot of subjects people get to choose pending what difficulty they're having or pending the kind of help they need in getting the assignment done. We have subjects ranging from math, sciences, physics, down to even preparation for SAT exams. So to sign up, you need to click on this particular tab on the website that says become a tutor. And to become a tutor at Tutor I, the steps are where outlined here. So the first step is that you have to submit your application on Tutor I portal. The step 2 is you have to undergo a simple approval process and get verified. Step 3, you will be inducted and the onboarding process is going to start. Step 4, you set your schedule, and step 5, you start tutoring. So if you're wondering what it is like to work with TutorMe, I checked Glassdoor to see what tutors have to say. And with 401 reviews, happens that they have about 4.6 rating, and this is a very good one here. So if you filter this by say 27 interviews, to see what people are saying, the difficulty in their interview, it's about 2.2 on average. So if you look at this, it is average. It's neither hard or that easy. So all you just need to do is go through what people are saying here, and if you feel like it's encouraging enough or you feel like there's a red flag, you might want to give this one a pass. But then I will advise that you read the reviews, learn from what they have to say, and then get to apply. So on average, this platform pays around $20 per hour. This reputable website now has open position for geeks to join their team of over 150 online tutors. They currently have about 330 courses listed, and it receives more than 150 questions from students each day. So the website teaching section is extremely interactive, as you can upload your PowerPoint presentation and videos for students to view. Although it pays $20 per hour, if you have a strong academic background and exceptional previous teaching experience, it can go much higher. So if you want to make a difference and collaborate with others, and also wish to work from any location, if you want to meet young curious students and share your knowledge, and also if you want to gain experience to showcase your resume, you can just go ahead and apply. So all you need to do is click the apply now. So if we go below, we'll see how it works. The first is that you have to apply and be approved, and then you browse available requests, help students excel in their studies, then you get fairly paid for your service. So I happen to check Glassdoor, of course, and the few reviews that I saw there were amazing. So it's just 3 reviews, not enough. You just have to go through these reviews and then learn from the experiences of people who have worked with them, and then sign up. Well, this website, as the name implies, focuses on solving students' assignments and providing answers via its innovative web platform. This platform has already been named the best website for high school students by several media outlets, including Forbes and Mashable. To be a part of this website, you must have a strong academic background in your chosen subject. Furthermore, prior teaching experience can work in your favor. All earnings are accumulated and have the potential to grow over time. An answer that earns you $5 during the first posting can earn you up to $500 over time. So if we look at School Solver website, you can see TechCrunch, TNW, Forbes, Mashable, Project Hunt have somehow endorsed this website, and they're showing you their reviews on Trustpilot. Of course, they won't show you any bad one anyway. They're going to show you good 5-star rating of what people have to say about them, and also they are trusted by people who have the time to tweet about their experiences and how good the platform is on Twitter. So as your investigator, I also went to Glassdoor. Well, the review was amazing. So let's look at Glassdoor. So Glassdoor here will have about 12 reviews on School Solver, and well, the rating is very good. It's 4.8 trust score here, and people have good stuff to say about School Solver. So all you just need to do, like I always say, is that if you feel satisfied with this review, it wouldn't be a bad idea to sign up. What do you think? Well, your thoughts are appreciated in the comment section. So this website is a platform that provides college homework help. On average, their payment is about $13 per hour. And before you can apply, here are some key requirements, just like most of the platforms I've listed. You must possess a bachelor degree and you must have a great command of English. Of course, I still did some digging on Glassdoor and the reviews are great. So if this review on Glassdoor give you the satisfaction you seek, you can go ahead and apply. Homework Market is yet another tutoring community where members earn money by answering specific questions on a wide range of subjects, doing homework for others, or editing assignments. It is unclear what grade level the community serves, but it is safe to assume that high school and college students can benefit from this service. So you can set your own rate, but it must be reasonable. A reasonable rate means you can stand a better chance of being chosen by students. Tutors typically charge between $5 and $25 per hour, depending on the complexity of the assignment. Please keep in mind that Homework Market charges a 20% commission on all assignments. The platform is open to everyone to apply, degree or no degree. However, in order to be verified as a tutor, you must include the degrees you hold. Where I looked for reviews on Glassdoor, found some on SiteJabber, and they weren't great. The problem I read so far shows that Homework Market work with many unknown experts, so it's one of the challenges the platform is having. So people whose assignment are being done for are not really satisfied with it. Seems like they keep failing because, of course, the people who are working on them really don't know anything about it. But if you know your subject area very well, I mean, people rate you high and you stand a chance of getting a lot of people ordering your services for you to do their assignment. So in conclusion, with all of these sites I've mentioned here so far, is that the first requirement for success in this industry and getting paid to do homework is a high academic qualification. And that is because everyone has the comfort working with qualified experts to do their assignment. Second, you must have excellent teaching skill in order to make each tutorial section interactive for your students. That is, if you want to teach on some of the platforms that offers that option. And if you excel at both of these, you can make a good living from the sites I have talked about here. Finally, just go through the legitimate list of websites and platforms I have mentioned and take that action to get signed up. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've used any of these websites before and what challenge did you face, let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to be a part of this family. Liking this video will do a lot of good for us as well. Till we see you next time, thank you for your time.